Hi, my name is Ariel and I'm an art instructor at Able Artswork. Today we're going to learn how to turn an old orange juice bottle into a pencil holder. For today's video you'll need paint, water, brushes, a piece of cardboard, a Sharpie, a pencil, an X-Acto blade, and a square carton. It can be either plastic or cardboard, as well as a cutting board. The first thing we need is our juice container, our piece of cardboard, the cutting board, pencil, X-Acto blade, and Sharpie. We're going to start with the pencil and we're going to get the same width of our bottle. We're going to trace that. It might be better if you line up your bottle with the bottom so you can keep a straight line. You're going to go on both sides, hold it down just like that. Then you're going to get your X-Acto blade and cut a little bit above where you were. Make sure you're very careful, keep your hands away, and ask for help if needed. Then we're going to follow the lines. Again, be very careful. Once we've cut this piece of cardboard out, we're gonna draw some cat ears. So you're gonna get your pencil and draw some cat ears. Make sure that they fit both within the piece. Then you want to get your marker, draw a trace over so you know where to cut out. Then you're going to get your X-Acto blade, and again, very carefully, you're going to cut. You're going to cut out your cat ears. Once you cut out the cat ears, you want to get the piece of cardboard and place it on the bottle. You want to make sure the ears are flat on the bottle. Then you're going to get your marker and you're going to trace the shape of the ears onto the bottle. Like so. And from there, we'll have cat ears. It's okay if it doesn't come out perfect on the bottle because we're gonna paint over it anyways. Then you wanna get the flat side of your piece of cardboard and trace all the way around so you can get more or less an even line on where you want to cut. Yeah, you wanna make sure it goes across nicely. Boom. Then we're going to use our X-Acto knife and cut off all this excess. Once you've cut it out, if you'd like, you can get scissors and kind of round out the ears so that they're a little less pointy and a little more friendly. Just like that. And kind of play around with the shapes a little bit, make sure that you get it so that you get the ears just how you want them. Shouldn't take too much. There we go. Now we're going to start painting. Now we wait for it to dry before we add a second coat. Finally, you're going to get your marker and draw your face. And there you have it.